Now we got burpees. You good? 10 more. All right guys, welcome back to another video. I got Lily Moon here, not Lily's son, Lily Moon. And you already know, Booty King. So today's workout is gonna be, you know, some simple cardio, nothing too intense, and some core. And this is really good for if you're trying to lose body fat. I recommend you do this on a day that you don't lift any weights, but if you decide to do it on the day you lift weights, make sure it's after your weightlifting, okay? So we're gonna start 30 seconds, let me get my timer. 30 seconds of jump rope, of jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. Nothing too crazy to start. Just getting the heart rate up. Just 30 seconds. Hey, we're in rhythm. Don't mess it up, Lily, don't mess it up. Okay, almost over. 5 more seconds. All right, next we got high knees. So, just like that. We're not gonna take any breaks at all this workout, guys. But, that's just us, you know, everybody has a different fitness level. If you need a little break, go ahead and pause it. Push yourself otherwise. You there? 5 more seconds. All right, next we got burpees. We're gonna do 10 burpees, okay? 1, 2. If you can't do this version, there's a modified version where you step, you go up, you step back, you stand up. Otherwise, advanced version, 5. Go all the way to 10. You did them? You gotta catch up to Lily. This is gonna be the hardest one from the whole workout. And 10. And we're doing them twice. Okay, next is butt kicks. Show you the side angle. Now we got, hey, I'm out of breath, high knees. We're gonna do high knees, so. If you wanna take it more intense. Just like that. All right, okay, now we got burpees. You good? 10 more. All right, we'll take a little break. No, it's because usually the burpees, its length is less than 30 seconds, so just 10 seconds. After that, we got side jumps, and we're done with cardio. Whew. Okay, ready? Side jumps. Pretend there's something, and you're jumping over it, side to side. Hang in there, guys. This is the last one. Okay, good job. How is it? Okay guys, now we're gonna do some core. We're gonna do 30 seconds of planks, followed by 30 seconds of side planks, and then banana holds, and we're done. Okay, just 10 seconds. Damn, it's been 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, now we got side planks. This one's way harder than the regular. You're gonna be on your side, so we're gonna do both sides. So what you wanna do is you wanna be on your side. Elbow is right under your shoulder, okay? This is the harder version. If you place your feet on top of each other and then you go up, only your feet are hitting the ground, not your leg, okay? The easy version, if you can't do that, you place both feet on the ground. I'm gonna do a harder version. Let's go. You're gonna feel this whole bottom side. About this. Just 10 seconds. Fight through it, fight through it. Okay, and then we got the other side. Okay. You guys ready? Let's go. Feel it right here in the bottom. Ten more seconds. And good. Okay. Last one. We got banana holds. Okay. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. You guys ready? Let's go. So look, your chin's tucked in, your feet are off the ground, you're holding it. Feel your core. Even if you're shaking, keep going, keep going. Just 10 seconds. And there. Whew. We did it, guys. You guys did it. Damn. Leg raises? Oh, that's right, we got leg raises. Okay, we're gonna do 15 leg raises. Last one, I promise. Don't let your feet hit the ground. It's for the lower abs. Look, right before her feet hit the ground, she's going back up. If you cannot do this version, I want you to bring your knees in like this. Just like that. Good job, Lily. We did it. You guys did it, I'm proud of you. You know, this whole fitness journey is not easy. Throughout your journey, you're gonna battle two voices. You know, there's a positive voice, a negative voice. Negative voice is gonna be like, no, don't do this. It's way too hard. This journey is way too long. There's no way. The positive voice is gonna say, yes, you can do this. So many people have done it. Why can't you? You know you're strong. As soon as you hear that negative voice, turn it off. Don't let the negative voice take over. It's a long journey by yourself. You know you're with your thoughts all day. It's important that you think positive for the majority of it. All right, so other than that, we're out. See you guys next time.